What's up, guys? Gabe's here. I'm here. We have a package, which Gabe already opened, but we have a, what is it, a Velox diffuser in here, a legit diffuser for the S550. So yeah, just tear on the sunshine real quick. So as you guys can see, it's an actual metal unit. It has mounting brackets throughout, and it actually is functional. So we're gonna put it on Gabe's car, and he's super duper excited.
Yay!
So it has hardware with it. So the first thing we need to do is put wheel chocks on the car and get the rear end up in the air. All right, guys. It is me. Okay, so. Oh, look, the mufflers say Roush on them. How interesting. And it looks like you have an exhaust leak on them. Huh.
You know what's gonna suck?
What?
That ECU is probably gonna have to be rebuilt.
What do you mean?
I haven't replaced them.
Because it has a Roush tune on it.
Yeah, so you go to Ford and have them take the Roush tune off.
I'm a little fatter than I remember being.
Okay. So, the instructions say this is the outer plate, which the adjustable pieces, which are the bigger pieces, they will go here, like this, which means I need a trim removal tool, which was not on the instruction list, so be advised, you will need a trim removal tool. So that is going to go here. These are out, so these will go like this or like this. This would make sense, but so would... Well, this would mean you couldn't really adjust them. There isn't really a way to... So, like this. Okay. And then we need to loosen that one. And this one. That's the long piece. That's the short piece. Okay, so this bolt is loose, which is the sway bar bolt. And then on the muffler, there's a bolt up here. That's loose. Like I said, these have come off. So then now we can actually put the bracketry on. And then, well, this is the passenger side. That's the driver's side. Gabe's been working on this side. I'm working over here. So next, I'm assuming, well, we're going to put the actual brackets on. So we have, like I said, one here, one there, and one out here.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Hi.
What are you doing under our car? No offense. Love you, mean it.
She just went there.
She don't belong there.
I know. Okay, so they go like this. Which these were the...
Cool. This week.
Cool. These are the big ones. Where's the bolt?
Baby's asleep.
Bolt? Where did you put it?
Been asleep.
You took it off.
1 o'clock.
So the Y bracket is in on both sides. The L bracket isn't on one side. And
We basically got pulled. We did get pulled over.
Gabe's putting in another bracket now, without the L bracket being on the other side.
Do you want me to put the other one in?
I don't know where the other one is.
It's up there. On the big one? Okay.
The long black one.
Long black tray.
No. It's already off.
Oh, you go up to the far one, not
Yeah.
underneath?
And then there's a bracket, an L bracket that goes in there.
After this, you turn just burn out.
These guys talking over here about Mexico stuff, taking L's. This guy over here in the yellow, he took an L last night. Yeah, it's facing inward. Okay, good.
Now, how does it... Where do you position it?
No, you just go down.
Really?
Yeah.
Because that's like up in the bushing and everything? Really?
Yes.
Oh, you got it just beyond the bushing. I like it. I can get behind that.
Park can get behind a lot of things.
We got the big fat butt. Now, with that out of the way, you can literally do whatever the fuck you want with this bracket.
Perfect.
And that moves, by moving it from back here to here, that gives us that space and it puts it in the right position.
Is it moving?
I just started wiggling it while he was hammering it.
You can wiggle it out now.
Not manhandle it.
Without destroying my back bumper, please.
Without ripping the car off the jack stands, Eric.
Oh. And without.
Oh, that's why you got that, don't you?
Just wiggle.
Wiggle.
Soft.
Kitty warm.
There you go.
Yay! We should just start some switch up now,
It'll be,
No balls.
it'll be something.
No
You gotta
balls.
stay seated right there while I go start it.
Fuck
Let me rev it.
Fucking lose my eardrums.
What?
Huh?
Hey, if
I can't hear
He's
you.
Harley in his car. Just go push the button and see what happens.
You can see
Alright, this
well,
is-
you can see nice little
Let's see if we can shoot flames while he's under here.
tire marks and burnouts.
No balls.
I dare you to come down
No
here.
wiggle.
Huh?
You want to come down here?
I'm already dead.
What?
Huh?
No.
What?
I was the first one down there.
Whoa.
That's right.
All right.
This
so-
go with that. We need one of those to go back up to tighten that, and you'll put this back in there.
All right. So
Now it'll be perfect.
that would be perfect.
Because this gave us length and articulation back to the hole.
Yeah. Articulated line.
Did you tighten yours up there, or you?
I tightened it, but you should still be able to, well,
Leave it slightly.
I'll say you should still be able to,
I can only hand tighten it so far.
yeah, use that monster.
Alright.
That's all I gotta say. Cool. Now we ready. Daddy, bring us home. Stick your big black thing underneath here.
Time that a little bit more. That's way too loose.
I basically got it all the way tight where the gun stopped, and then I just moved it by hand so that it was still wiggle.
We'll tighten it more after we get this one.
That's the problem, is I don't know that you'll be able to.
Hold on. Hold on.
I mean, you may, but
You have to like really fucking.
you'd have to really get fucking smart with it.
Okay.
Try and reach up in there.
There you go.
Still never said it, nothing for you.
Twyla, you're missing all sorts of photo ops.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
Alex, you're too funny.
Let us try this.
Let us pray.
Hopefully.
Oh, sorry.
Wow, how are you balancing that?
In the almighty name of Uganda Knuckles, show us the way.
You guys are too funny.
Bloopers from Parker Performance.
Oh, please, you got the
Wait, these are these
Shut
are
up, my
bloopers.
friend. Okay, so we're gonna go to the back of it or the front of it? We're gonna back on both sides, and we're on the outside on the bracket.
I think we should put the brackets on the inside, shouldn't we?
Yeah, we can put it outside.
Outside?
I like the outside.
Outside then. Outside sounds good to me. So, these brackets, and this needs to come down because these brackets have. We're talking about the back ones?
All of them.
Oh.
Yeah, wherever you go.
Alright, so.
You got you two over there? I'm just gonna put that in there to stop. Because then I don't have to hold it.
Smart idea, sir. Smart idea.
And then, oh, well, I'll wind up needing a washer when we're actually going to put it in, but I guess I'll pull that out.
Did you say Dende?
Look how fucking. So good.
Oh, dude,
Yeah.
it's going to be something fierce, bro.
Let's start it up now.
The good news is my daughter's awake, so we have and it's not after fucking 10 o'clock at night. The first time I ever started Scarlett after rebuilding her, my daughter's room is right here. 3:30 in the morning, open down pipe, cam fucking motor, wah 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 wah.
Neighbors probably woke the fuck up.
Baby slept right through the whole fucking thing. I was like, yes! My daughter's a fucking beast!
I better move before you get started.
Hold on, wait, we should hold on,
Hold on.
we should video this. This should be
Make sure it's in neutral as well.
It's not going nowhere.
I know that. It's in there.
Wow, I smell gas.
Yeah. Good fireball.
So, one thing to keep in mind, you guys, if you have an aftermarket exhaust with round instead of OEM oval mufflers, your diffuser will not fit unless you have straight pipes, of course. So if you have a Roush exhaust, say goodbye to the Roush exhaust. But look at how delicious Gabe looks right now. Yeah.
This is more.
Snack pack. Oh, and Josh finally decided to come outside and help.
Sorry.
Lazy ass.
Had to poop.
I think you're taking
They came outside this time.
Must have made poopy.
And Eric's here.
Too short.
Wait, you guys don't know Eric. This is Master Dende. His name's Eric. He does a Fort Taurus show.
What is these then?
Parker got some fan mail.
Dude, it's gonna be the same guy that lives across the street from the kid with the FRS.
He's gonna complain about you, but he's not gonna complain about your neighbor.
Why did she change the font for videographer?
I don't know.
There's a
My husband and I live on Spring Hill Drive near Belogar Avenue. We hear all those Mustangs very well. Spring Hill Drive near Belogar.
That's so. Remember, I told you the video that got viral and got over 8 million views, and it was that guy in the big van that did the U-turn, and the guy.
Yeah.
I guarantee that's them. Guarantee.
So, well, we have responsible adults here. We'll have some fun with this.
There's no fun to have.
I was like, don't be
There's
dumb.
no HOA.
It's fine.
There's no
we
laws
can't-
being violated.
Nobody's doing stupid stuff. You guys
Suck my dick.
Okay, stop.
There's no HOA. You can't.
So, here we have the finished product. As you can see, everything is very neat.
I want to frame it and put it on the wall. Legit.
And now what we're going to do is lower the car
Give me a Calvin Bean.
and take a picture. Yeah, right here we have the finished product, which, as you can see, legitness. Now, one thing we need to stress, there's two bolts underneath the actual reverse light that will drill directly into the actual diffuser. And right. And then again, if you have an aftermarket exhaust system, if your mufflers are round, they will not work. So either you take them off, or you put your original or oval mufflers on, which is why there are more mufflers on here now. But yeah, that's it. You wanna close this out, Gabe? Apparently not.
Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're going to do, actually when you get it, you're going to have this retaining clip will be on here. You need